Which one? Nice colored right there.
Yeah. Yeah, we're hoping more than we had late.
Yeah, a lot of three-wheelers, so.
Yeah, a lot of them.
That's pretty cool, though. Come on, people, you're getting in my camera view.
Two-wheelers, and they're bigger, so they're more active. Wow.
Yeah. Dude, well, yeah, they're a lot easier. You don't have to worry about kickstands. You know, I gotta make sure I don't get copied, killed. Wow. A lot of three-wheel, so I'm surprised.
Mostly all. I mean, okay.
Maybe it's a lot of retirees. I mean, it could
Yeah,
be.
it's Goldwing. Well, I couldn't read that much
Alright, my camera's kind of. That one was bad.
Goldwing. Now the route's going to be different.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Hell yeah. Yeah. Well, probably some cars too. Wow. Wow.
Now I don't know where they're going tonight. That's
That's cool. Now you're in my shot. Got black out the plate. Thank you.
Gotta take up the view, buddy.
That is cool though. All the that's just I like this. This is cool as hell.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going after this tonight, but there was no information on tonight.
Now you're gonna get my view.
Yeah, that's nice. Don't hit my car now.
What are you doing? Are you dumb? Yeah, you're gonna block my view.
Somebody has a weird horn.
That's cop.
Oh.
Sheriff.
Does that mean that's them?
Hell yeah, that's cool.
I wonder where they're going.
That must be it. That was it. Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I just wonder where they're going. Tomorrow we have a rope going all over. Down this street.